Right, Threads has done something interesting. They've added Meta's AI assistant as an actual account inside the app. Tag it and add answers, just like Grok on X. Here's what's happening. There's now a verified account called @meta.ai. You can chat with it directly or tag it in any reply, and it'll jump in with what Meta is calling context, closure, or comedy. Sometimes all three, their words, not mine. The mechanism is simple. Someone posts a question, you reply with @meta.ai, and Meta AI lands in the thread with an answer. Same as Grok on X, same use case, different platform. Here's the worry though, Grok on X has been a disaster. Pro-Nazi rants, gushing praise of Elon, and some genuinely awful stuff Meta would not want anywhere near its app. They say their guardrails are stronger. Meta's only in 5 countries to start: Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, Argentina, and Singapore. So that's the deal. Another AI in another app. The rest of us in the UK and US just watch how it goes for now.